Route all the live long day. We're on the bus to go fishing at Outdoor Ed. It's great. Taylor. Are you a school bus? I'm Dom Testa. So, yesterday I saw somebody reading a book in Dragon Den. And the author was Dom Testa. And it made me laugh. Because I'm always making Chuck Testa jokes.
Yeah, everyone fished there when I was a little kid. That's what everyone,
Was bringing my phone to this a bad idea?
yeah.
Okay, good.
It's been over. Because I didn't know.
Because he's prepared.
I just put it in this bag. It was easier.
This bus is awesome. Look at these leather seats. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Ah! Ethan!
If only this really made.
I will eat your soul!
This is the point. I can dream.
What? Dream of what?
Actual eat.
Oh.
How many are your I have some.
This is the best thing ever.
I'm using a spin.
We're gonna go fishing at Bob's Park and I'm gonna fail so much.
No, Sophie!
Who here thinks I'm gonna fail at fishing?
Everybody.
Connor, will you bring stuff for me tomorrow?
Yeah, there's a reason I've never fished before because I know all about that.
Are there spinners in your room? Are there two? Hey, we're gonna pass my house! I think.
We're gonna pass Sam's house? Wait, who said we're gonna pass my house?
We're not gonna pass it, we're just gonna pass it. Y'all know who Drew Wasserman is?
No.
I see him 7th grade. Yeah, I know.
Six.
He got held. He got held back to his house. He got held back. Marcus's house? Basketball court.
Marcus Hill? Marcus Hill? Oh. I never liked Marcus Hill. There's always something about him that took me the wrong way. Brooke, what are you screaming about? Brooke, no, not laughing contest. Go. You're laughing at your own Instagram picture. Oh. That's pretty funny. But I'm not gonna laugh because I don't want to. What about N64s?
Put the windows up.
No, it's
You know how to put the windows up? Oh yeah.
Did you push it down?
Coach Sellers. Is there a radio on this bus?
No.
Aww.
No radio. I turned the radio on.
There's a radio on the other school buses.
Everybody get on phone.
You shut the window and then it just pops open again. I don't think that window can shut. I think it's broken. No, it's that fishing rod. It's like bumping into it and making it shut. I think. There we go. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, I know. Last year, my sometimes my locker will just pop open when I close it, and then it'll happen like 5 times, and then I'll just be walking away from it, staring at it like, "Don't open again, don't open again," and then it opens. Sometimes.
I delete from there.
So do I.
I deleted.
Do you have a top locker or a bottom locker?
S-O-R-E-S.
I always end up with bottom lockers, except for last year. But I only ended up with a top locker last year because I had 2 bottom lockers. Because they gave me a bottom locker, it didn't work. They gave me another one, it didn't work. And then they finally gave me a top locker, and that one worked.
And like
Yeah, I did too.
I have a top locker.
S-O-R-E-N-S-C-N. Yeah.
What were the lockers like at Dawson, or what? Okay.
So you know.
Except for the athletic locker, like the locks are in the attack.
I'm killing you, Sam.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I beat your record.
Yeah, that's... Yeah.
I got 28.
I think we should have He's
having trouble.
Yeah, well, I kind of... But
I have just lagging or audio.
I'd say the same size for both.
Wait, Connor.
Yeah.
Hey, good try. Good try. You're a freaking turtle. Lightning at work, man. I got one of those little blue balls. M-A-T-I-N.
That's where my little brother goes to school over
I can
there.
show you on my house.
Oh, we're gonna drive past
I know
him.
where you live.
Okay, since you're
Find a water tower.
so I have no idea how to do this.
Sorensen, I'm not joining.
Are you playing Fun Run?
Hey, what's your name? Forget.
Why is Fun Run a thing now?
Damn it.
You guys are.
I'm joining. Alright, here's my house. Matt Warner and Will in the locker room for a game. And I was losing, and I knocked all the house
And
down.
all that you can see is whiteness. I'm gonna turn this off there because it's really cool.